Let us write a Python program to demonstrate the various operators in Python. So in order to write a Python program, the first thing that you need to do is start by saving the file. How can you save a Python file? Click on File menu, click on Save. Then click on D drive, click on Class 11, Programs. And here you can name the file. Let me name it as operator. .py comes automatically. Click on Save. Now, in order to demonstrate the various operators, the first thing that I need to do is two integers must be, or two numbers must be entered from the keyboard. So how can you program the keyboard? How can you read a quantity from the keyboard? There is a function by the name input. Okay, and inside the function symbol, this is function symbol. Inside the function symbol, in double quotes, you can write a message, enter the first integer, and you can store that in a variable, say for example a. So a is equal to enter the first integer. I need to enter one more integer, so let me type the same statement, input. Inside the function symbol, in double quotes, you can type a message, enter the second integer. Okay, and let variable b point to the second integer. Now the first operator, it is the addition operator. So if you want to get the answer, you can type a plus b. Now you save the file, you run the program, you can see an interesting result. Okay, first integer, let it be 23, second integer, let it be 52. You get the answer 2352. Why did you get this answer? Because input returns the answer as a string. So even if you type 23 from the keyboard, input returns the answer as character 2, character 3, and variable a contains the string character 2, character 3. Now here if you type 52 from the keyboard, input returns the answer as a string. So character 5, character 2, and plus along with a string. In the last class you studied, it is the concatenation operator. So string 2, 3 is concatenated with the string 5, 2. They are placed together. That is the reason why you got the answer 2, 3, 5, 2. Now how can you convert string 2, 3 to integer 23? Here you can make use of int. Similarly, how can you convert string 52 to integer 52? Here you can type int. So now variable a contains integer 23, variable b contains integer 52. So here you get the answer, the correct answer. You can see that. You need to save the file before you run the program. 23, 52, you get the correct answer 75. Now let me modify the answer. Let me display a message also. The result of addition equals. So this is a string. Inside double quotes, if you write something, it's a string. This is an integer. They should be separated, you see, comma. Now you save the file, run the program. 23, 52, you get the answer 75. Now what happens if I write a plus b also inside double quotes? Or suppose if I write like this. Okay, if I write like this, what happens? Here a plus b is written inside double quotes, and inside double quotes it is treated as a sequence of characters. So this is character a, character plus character b. So you get the answer like this, 23, 52. You get character a, character plus character b, because a plus b was written inside double quotes. So if you want the value of a variable to come, it should be written outside double quotes. So when you write A outside double quotes, the value of variable A comes. So whatever comes here, the same value comes here. Similarly, B is written outside double quotes. So value of this variable comes here. Okay. So you get the correct answer. Now the next operator is a very simple one, subtraction. So it is minus. And here you can change the message. Okay, subtraction. Now nothing to explain. The next one is multiplication operator, and in Python the multiplication operator is star. Okay, so make a note of this one. Here you can change the message. Okay, multiplication. Now the next operator is division, and it is forward slash. So here you can change the message. Now the next one is a new operator. It is 2 forward slash, and this is known by the name floor division or integer division. What floor division does is it returns the integer part of the answer. When you divide A with B, the integer part of the answer is returned by floor division or integer division. So here you can write floor division. Now the next one, it is percentage. This is modulo operator, and what the modulo operator does is it returns remainder as answer. When you divide A with B, whatever is the remainder is returned as answer. So here maybe let me type the message, remainder equals A modulo B. Now the next one is an interesting one, the exponent operator. Exponent operator is 2 star. So A star star B, A raised to B is returned as answer. So here you can change the message, exponent equals A raised to B. Now you can save the file, you can run the program, enter the first integer 3, enter the second integer 2. So you can see 3 plus 2 equal to 5, 3 minus 2 equal to 1, 3 into 2 equal to 6, 3 divided by 2, 1.5, 3 floor division 2, the integer part of the quotient is returned as answer. 3 modulo 2, remainder is returned as answer. 3 star star 2, 3 raised to 2, 9, exponent is returned as answer. Okay, so these are the popular operators available in Python. Now when you open this file, immediately I should be in a position to know this program was written to demonstrate the various operators. Okay, so what I am going to do is, in the very first line, let me type like this. This is a Python program to demonstrate 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 the various operators available in Python. Okay, now you save the file, you run the program, Python shows an error. Python does not understand this line. Okay, so I am going to instruct Python, hey Python, don't read this line. How can you do that? Make it a comment. How can you create a comment? At the beginning you need to insert a hash. So now your Python program will not read this line. Okay, it starts reading from the second line. You need one more comment that you can see, run the program. You need to save the file before you run the program. Okay, I did not save, that's the reason why the message comes like this. Again, the poor Python does not know the second line. So just inform Python, don't read the second line, make it a comment. So before the second line, you can insert a hash. So now Python will not read the first 2 lines. It starts reading from the 3rd line onwards, and you get the answer correctly. Okay, again I did not save, 7, 2, you get the answer. So 7 divided by 2, 3.5. 7 floor division 2, the integer part of the answer 3. 7 modulo 2, remainder is returned as answer 1. 7 raised to 2, 49. So why are we giving comments? When you open the file, immediately you will understand this program was written to demonstrate the various users. Now this is one way of giving comment. If you want to make a single line a comment, you can make use of hash. If you want to make multiple lines a comment, there is one more method of giving comment, and it is you can start with triple quotes and you can end with triple quotes. Okay, so starting from this area till this point will be treated as a comment by the Python. So Python will not read this much part. Okay, and this is known as a multi-line comment. So if multiple lines of comments are there, it's always better to go for a multi-line comment. Now you can save your file, run the program, you get the same answer, 8, 2. So 8 plus 2, 10, 8 minus 2, 6, 8 into 2, 16, 8 divided by 2, 4, 8 floor division 2, the integer part of the answer, 4, 8 modulo 2, when you divide 8 with a 2, remainder 0, 8 raised to 2, 8 into 8, 64. So this is our first Python program. It demonstrates the various operators. So there are two different ways of giving comment: single line comment, hash, and multi-line comment. So students, you can try this Python program yourself in the computer.